fam? How you guys doing today? It's another good day, man. Another blessing. Hope you guys are having a good day. I haven't started my day, but it's already going great because I'm alive. You know, a lot of people don't count that blessing, man. As DDE would say, let's put some heat in this engine. So not too much on today's agenda. I'm gonna be meeting back up with Danny. He's the owner of that wide body carbon fiber GTR in my last video. He also has a wide body 458, which is pretty sick. We're gonna link up, do some shenanigans, you know? Damn, is that a dually, dog? Damn, get a look at that thing. Sick. This guy literally has like Need for Speed cars. You guys thought I did. Full straight pipe towing on that thing. Full titanium. That thing's nice. Sounds crazy. Not loud at all. I like these wheels, they look like Nismo wheels. So I get into my car, out of nowhere, my whole windshield is just split. No chip, nothing. The shit just split. Like, what the?
I mean, like, you would. I mean, you want to go
At the Choi Estates. Damn, dog, are those Damon's marks? Man, I need a garage like this, bro. It's goals. Nice, got a G-Wagon over here. Alright, we just grabbed some food. It's pretty much gonna sum up today. Clean ass Ferrari. I'm still low-key pissed that this just happened today, like out of nowhere. I had no crack, no chip, nothing. Like literally just out of nowhere, this shit disappeared. Hopefully warranty takes care of it. Because clearly that wasn't my fault. That shit should not happen, so. Sick. I think it's pretty much one-on-one because the car is pieced together. So that shit's sick. Like if you're gonna have a Ferrari 458, that's definitely the way to have it, bro. That shit's badass. I'm not the biggest fan of like 458s like in stock form, but on his shit, legit wide body, like that shit's crazy. Sick ass move. I love that guy, he's like a big ass kid. See if this is a 1,000 or a 600. If I get gap, it's a 1,000. And it is a smoke. Damn, I'm just handing people L's today. I'm not even in the race car, dog. You guys already see what's going down, man. Subscribe to the channel. It's always some random crazy shit happening. This car life stuff is every day, man. All right, guys, on that note, I'm probably gonna end this video here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got hella content coming. I have a lot of stuff coming. We got some events coming up. We got some shows. The Evo should be coming back really soon here. My Z is gonna be getting retuned on more boost. We got a lot of stuff coming. Do me a favor, just subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up. It actually really does help the channel. And yeah, man, I'm out.